Believe it or not, the right foods can lift your mood in minutes, and I'm about to share my top picks that really work. Food has a profound impact on our emotional well-being, and it's incredible how much of a difference it can make in our daily lives. By incorporating certain foods into our diet, we can actually boost our mood and overall sense of happiness. We've all been there, feeling stuck in a rut, overwhelmed by stress and anxiety, and struggling to find a way out. It's like being trapped in a never-ending cycle of low mood and fatigue. Millions of people around the world struggle with these feelings every single day, and it can be really tough to find effective solutions that work quickly. We've tried everything from meditation to exercise, from therapy to medication, but what about the food we eat? Could it be possible that the answer to our mood woes lies on our plates? The struggle is real, folks, and it's not just about feeling a little down. Low mood can affect every aspect of our lives, from our relationships to our productivity. It can be debilitating, and it's hard to find the energy to keep going when all we want to do is crawl back into bed and hide under the covers. But what if I told you that there's a way to break free from this cycle, to shift your mood and energy in just a few minutes, and it's all about the food you eat? We're so used to reaching for comfort foods when we're feeling down, but those same foods are often the ones that end up making us feel worse in the long run. It's time to flip that script and start feeding our bodies the foods that will actually help us feel better. Foods that are packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and even serotonin-boosting compounds that can lift our mood and energy levels almost instantly. Let's dive into some of the top mood-boosting foods that you need to add to your diet ASAP. Berries, especially blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, are packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and flavonoids, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. These compounds support brain health by protecting neurons and enhancing communication between brain cells. Berries also aid in boosting the production of dopamine, a neurotransmitter linked to pleasure and mood regulation. Their natural sugars provide a gentle energy boost without causing a sugar crash, keeping mood stable. Nuts are another great option. Nuts like walnuts, almonds, and cashews are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain function and mood regulation. They also contain magnesium, a mineral known to help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Nuts provide a steady release of energy, helping to prevent mood swings caused by fluctuations in blood sugar. Their high levels of tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin, help elevate mood and enhance feelings of well-being. And then there's dark chocolate, the ultimate mood-boosting superfood. Rich in flavonoids and serotonin-boosting compounds, dark chocolate is the perfect treat to indulge in when you need a pick-me-up. Dark chocolate, especially varieties with high cacao content, 70% and above, is known for boosting mood by stimulating the production of endorphins and serotonin, the brain's feel-good chemicals. It contains flavonoids, which enhance blood flow to the brain, supporting cognitive function and mental clarity. Dark chocolate also contains phenylethylamine, PEA, a compound linked to the feeling of being in love, which can elevate mood. Its combination of a small amount of caffeine and theobromine provides a gentle energy lift without overstimulation. But there's one food that stands out from the rest, one that might surprise you, but trust me, it's a game changer. And that food is fermented foods. Yes, you heard that right. Fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir contain probiotics that can actually alter the way our brains function, reducing anxiety and depression while boosting our mood and energy levels. It's like a superhero for your gut and brain. These probiotics help balance the gut microbiome, which influences the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, often referred to as the happiness hormone. Fermented foods can reduce inflammation and anxiety, promoting a more stable and positive mood. Additionally, they're a good source of B vitamins, which are crucial for energy production and brain function, helping to combat fatigue and improve mental well-being. And the best part? You don't need to make any drastic changes to your diet to experience the benefits. Just start incorporating these foods into your daily meals, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can shift your mood and energy levels. So, which of these foods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more healthy eating tips and self-care ideas, be sure to check out my next video.